Hi, this is Jessica Harris, PM692 Unit 6 discussion. Organizations deal with a lot of people in their day-to-day projects. Stakeholders refer to anyone that has an influence in those projects and in that work. Stakeholder management is about the relationship the project team has with the stakeholders and how it is a collaborative effort to reach the end goal of the projects. Stakeholder management is a broad topic that includes the identification of stakeholders, the analysis, the management, the engagement and communication, and lastly, managing conflict and challenges. Stakeholder management is important because the stakeholders are the ones that usually need the end result. So they are those who influence the project and are affected by it. According to Rosiek and Project Engineer, the major components of stakeholder management plan include the stakeholder list, project phase, contact names, areas of influence, power, and engagement approach. Project manager defines stakeholder theory as addressing business ethics, morals, and values when managing stakeholders involved with the project or organization. The theory argues that a firm should create value for all stakeholders, not just shareholders. There has been a rise in the use of this theory and an extension on what is defined within the term value, as well as who is considered as a stakeholder. Freeman outlines 6 principles that should govern the relationship between the stakeholders and the corporation: entry and exit, governance, externalities, contract costs, agency, and limited immorality. Project teams need to understand the personalities, roles, and responsibilities of the stakeholders involved in a project. Another component to getting stakeholders on your side is to build trust. Once the trust is built, it's essential to keep transparency and maintain it. Being able to communicate with your stakeholders is also important, articulating some of the benefits the stakeholders will see as individuals in the project. Delivering bad news to stakeholders can be uncomfortable. It follows a similar theme to getting stakeholders involved. Having that understanding developed in the beginning of the project. Having that honesty and transparency results in engagement, which results in better communication. Delivering the news and how you communicate with your stakeholders after an issue can have a greater impact on the project and stakeholder relationship than the actual issue itself. This communication with stakeholders to ensure their expectations are met ensures successful stakeholder management.